You know, from a teacher's point of view, it's really about how much you can get out of an activity. The hide and seek cards, although there's an instruction pack that comes with it and you've got games that you can play, I think any teacher in a foundation phase setting is going to look at them and think, what else can I get, what more can I get from them? From a teacher's point of view, it's very easy to think of ways to bring other elements of the curriculum in. I just laid them out on the table and just got the children to talk about what they could see, and all this language was coming forward about the shapes and the size of the sheep, and there is so much that you can do with shape, number. It wasn't a task that as a teacher I had to sit down and plan. It's something that was so quick and easy but very rich in language.
I think it's essential that the activities and resources are explored in school first in order for the teachers to become familiar with them, to help the children to know what to do with the resources and to encourage them to get the best out of them.
So in the autumn term, we always start off with the Pori Rhyme Challenge, which is really useful within the foundation phase profile assessments to assess the children's oracy. One of the skills that they need to be able to do is to join in and sing and learn nursery rhymes, and Pori's excellent to help us facilitate that. So much language and vocabulary and discussion going on, and also the well-being of the child. The children are engaged, there's a high level of sustained play and engagement, interaction with each other.
They're not prescriptive. You're not sent a box of resources and told you must do this. They are the most helpful resource that I've had as a reception practitioner, because they are flexible. You as a practitioner can decide how you want to link those resources in and how best to use them. The process that we take with that story, by the time the children are taking that book home with their parents, they have memorised the story, they recognise certain words, they use the pictures as prompts. There's so many literacy reading skills coming out from that. Every teacher in the world is always looking for resources and things to help them develop the children's skills, and we're being given them.
I can get you toy, and more toy. I give up and do a dance, really hot,